Dear students, coordinate geometry, I am starting the 5th session and I am taking a problem on the section formula, and the problem is, in what ratio does -4,6 divide the line segment joining A -610 and B 3 -8. Please remember, you will have to read the problem properly, understand it, write down what they have given, and also you need to write down what you are supposed to find out. In this problem, they have asked you to find out the ratio. Ratio of what? The ratio of this point -4,6 dividing the line segment joining A and B. So the figure is, I am drawing a rough figure. This is A -610. This is B 3 -8. If I join, I will get a line segment, and that line segment is AB. There is a point P on AB, and this point P is -4,6. This point P is dividing the line segment into two parts. I will have to find out in what ratio is this point dividing AB. These two parts, which is got by this point P, that ratio has to be found out. So they have given A -610 taken as x1 y1. They have given B 3 -8 taken as x2 y2, and the point P which divides AB into two parts in some ratio, that is taken as xy. These three they have given. We should find out the ratio m is to n. You know that the section formula Pxy is given by mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the section formula. And now what is that I am going to do? I am just substituting the values that they have given me. They have given me the point P, that is -4,6. That is equal to m. I have to find out. x2 is 3 plus n I have to find out. x1 is -6. Be careful, whenever you have negative values, it is always better that you put that negative value within common brackets. M plus n is retained as it is. M y2 is -8 plus n y1 is 10 divided by m plus n. I have to find out the value of m and n. If I simplify this, 3 into m will be 3m. -6 into n is -6n divided by m plus n. -8 into m, -8m. 10 into n is 10n divided by m plus n. I have -4,6 is equal to, -4,6 is an ordered pair, and on the right hand side I have one more ordered pair. When two ordered pairs are equal, the first components will be equal, the second components will be equal. So if I equate the first component, 3m minus 6n divided by m plus n, if that is equal to minus 4, transfer the denominator m plus n to the other side. 3m minus 6n is equal to minus 4 into m plus n. So 3m minus 6n is equal to, open the brackets, minus 4m minus 4n. Transfer this minus 4m to the other side, it becomes plus 4m, that is equal to, this minus 4n is retained as it is, minus 6n is transferred to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6n. 3m plus 4m is 7m, that is equal to minus 4n plus 6n is 2n. I will retain m as it is here and transfer this n to the other side. It comes to the denominator, that is equal to, this 2 is retained as it is on the right hand side, 7 is transferred, that comes to the denominator. So m by n is equal to 2 by 7. The meaning is, that is, m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. The ratio m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. So by equating the first components of these two ordered pairs, I have got the ratio. You need not verify by equating the other components, but I am showing it to you now that if we equate the second components also, we get the same answer. So the second components of the ordered pairs, minus 8m plus 10n divided by m plus n, that is equal to, the second component of the other ordered pair on the left hand side is 6. Transfer m plus n. Minus 8m plus 10n is equal to 6 into m plus n. So minus 8m plus 10n is equal to 6m plus 6n. Transfer all m on one side, minus 8m. If you transfer plus 6n on this side, it becomes minus 6m, that is equal to 6n. Transfer this 10n to the other side, it becomes minus 10n. Minus 8m minus 6m is minus 14m, that is equal to 6n minus 10n is minus 4n. Therefore, on both the sides, if we multiply by a negative sign or by minus 1 or by changing the sign on both the sides, we get 14m is equal to 4n. Transfer n to this side. M divided by n is equal to, transfer 14 to the other side, 4 divided by 14. Therefore, m by n is equal to, 4 cancels with 2 times and with 14 7 times. Therefore, m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7.